there. Welcome to Project 2. We are going to be drawing cityscapes in both day and night. Now, you're going to draw this once and then you're going to change that color so that it references that change of day. Let's just go through some of the details in this project statement. I'm not going to read it completely to you. I want you to read it and digest it. I think that's the best way to handle this. Read it really thoroughly. There's lots of detail here that will help you. So you can see that we're going to be showcasing an illustration in both day and night. You'll be using Adobe Illustrator, and you have to have at least 10 buildings or up to 15. You can go over 15 if you want. You certainly are allowed details that are non-buildings. You can see that this has kind of a bridge detail and this has a plane. Each of these is going to have kind of unique little details that the other one doesn't. You can see that some of them have stars, some of them have clouds. This one has a mirror effect. You know, explore the different options here that are talked about. I talk about palette, I talk about scale and perspective, and foreground and background, and harmony within the composition. This is a really great project that kind of explains rhythm and scale, and you can see how the windows have very, very different rhythms, and they have different scales in all of the buildings. You know, some of them have more detail applied or less detail applied in some areas so that there is something unique. This one probably has kind of a more kind of streamlined appearance. The details are a little bit more subtle, but still there. You can see that the handling of the windows is very different and creates this really interesting scale and pattern and rhythm within your compositions. So be really, really aware as you're looking through these examples of all the options. Now you can see that some people go in for a ton of detail. You can see these have small vehicles and trees. Some of them are a little bit more streamlined. The differences between the color palettes can sometimes be really dramatic. You can see that they've thought through the idea that not all floors may have lights on in these size skyscrapers. So really think through. You are graded on the attention to detail. So if you put in a reasonable amount of detail, then your grade might be something in the middle. But if you go to extraordinary lengths, you'll hit as many points in that area as possible. So really think through how you want to do that, and I look forward to seeing more. Thank you.